The Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Hybrid is a plug-in hybrid that promises to deliver both performance and sustainability. The vehicle comes in both SUV and coupe variants, offering a system output of 544 horsepower and a maximum system torque of 750 Newton-meters. This is achieved through a combination of a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder turbo engine and a 100 kilowatts electric motor. The engine alone produces 449 horsepower, and the electric motor adds another 100 kilowatt, making for a very powerful hybrid system. The car can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds and has an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. The vehicle also boasts a large battery with a capacity of 31.2 kilowatt-hour, allowing for an electric range of 54 miles for the SUV variant and 55 miles for the coupe, according to the WLTP standard. Charging options include an 11 kilowatt AC charger and an optional 60 kilowatts DC fast charger, which can charge the battery from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes. In terms of design, the GLE 53 Hybrid incorporates hybrid-specific elements both inside and out. The exterior features hybrid-specific badges and comes standard with 21-inch light alloy wheels. The interior includes the MBUX infotainment system with hybrid-specific displays and functions, providing information such as the charging status and temperature of the high-voltage battery. The vehicle's standard equipment is quite extensive, including features like a panoramic sunroof, heated front seats, and a Burmester sound system. The AMG Ride Control air suspension with adaptive damping has been specially developed for this hybrid model, offering a balanced combination of acoustic insulation for electric driving and a sporty driving character. The car also offers a range of driving programs tailored to its hybrid nature. These include electric, which allows for purely electric driving up to 87 miles per hour, and battery hold, which maintains the battery's charge level. When driving purely electrically, an acoustic vehicle altering system warns pedestrians of the car's approach. The GLE 53 Hybrid is not just a performance vehicle, but also aims to be practical for everyday use. According to Michael Sheeby, chairman of the management board of Mercedes-AMG, the car offers a unique combination of agility, driving pleasure, and purely electric range, making it a versatile addition to Mercedes-AMG's lineup. The vehicle's pricing begins at €125,000 for the SUV variant and €134,000 for the coupe. It's clear that Mercedes-AMG is targeting a premium market segment with this hybrid offering, balancing performance, luxury, and sustainability in a single package. Overall, the Mercedes-AMG GLE Hybrid seems to be a compelling option for those looking for a high-performance luxury hybrid vehicle. With its powerful engine, extensive standard equipment, and focus on sustainability, it offers a well-rounded package that should appeal to a wide range of consumers. One of the standout features of the Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Hybrid is its intelligent operating strategy. When the vehicle is in electric mode and the battery runs low or the driver suddenly needs more power, the system automatically switches to engage the combustion engine. This ensures that the vehicle can adapt to different driving conditions and requirements, offering both fuel efficiency and performance when needed. The battery hold mode is another thoughtful addition, allowing the driver to maintain the battery's charge level for later use, such as for city driving where electric operation is more beneficial. The vehicle also places a strong emphasis on safety and convenience. It comes with a 360-degree parking pilot and a blind spot assistant as part of its standard equipment. These features, along with the adaptive high beam assistant, contribute to a safer driving experience. The car's infotainment system is not just a source of entertainment, but also a hub of information and control, offering hybrid-specific displays that help the driver monitor various aspects of the car's performance and status. Lastly, the vehicle's acoustic features deserve mention. When driving purely electrically, the car uses an acoustic vehicle altering system to emit a low-frequency speed-modulated sound to alert pedestrians of its approach. This is an important safety feature, especially given that electric vehicles can be much quieter than their internal combustion counterparts. The sound is broadcast via a speaker at the front and a soundbar with 2 speakers at the rear, providing both external and internal acoustic feedback. This attention to detail underscores Mercedes-AMG's commitment to offering a vehicle that is not just high-performing and luxurious, but also responsible and safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.